So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Power share. So we know that there are some latest updates regarding Tata Power. So we'll discuss that and also about Tata Power when we discussed in our previous videos. That is 4 days back only. I told you to hold this particular stock and also we have discussed the targets. So many people have messaged in Instagram as well that they're holding the call option. So definitely I told them what can be the strategy as well as when to book the profit. So if you have any personal doubts, you can message me in Instagram as well. So Instagram ID is stocks diary YT. So today morning also I told in Telegram that you can add Tata Power especially for long term. So this is not the first time. Almost 4 videos we have discussed about Tata Power and also about Infibeam. I have discussed early morning itself as well as on Thursday. That is on Thursday also I told you to add this particular stock into your watch list. So quickly now we'll discuss about Tata Power updates and then we'll switch over to the technical charts and we'll see how the volume is fluctuating. Okay, so if you see the official updates almost 2 minutes back, roughly this particular update has come. So you can see that Tata Power, you can see Tesla has approached Tata Power to set up electronic charging stations across Maharashtra. So this was all well known to all of us because majorly power sector will be in demand, whether it may be Adani Power or Tata Power. So mainly we focused on these particular two stocks where opportunities are increasing. So that's what we know, that Tesla is almost ready for setup in Bangalore as well. So mainly we told for charging stations. So basically power companies are required. So basically we have two major companies, whether it may be Tata Power as well as Adani Power. So today you can see Tata Power has got that particular deal regarding Tesla. Okay, so when Tesla is approaching, you know the demand how it will be present. So that's why today we have seen stock almost moving 5%. So will it hit the upper circuit or not? So that we will discuss. So quickly let's switch over to the volume analysis to find out how the volume has been fluctuating. Okay, so if you see the volume analysis chart, so clearly you can see on 10th March we have seen considerable combined delivery has increased, and also you can see little traded quantity was present, but deliveries wise also we have seen some decent holding. So don't directly depend upon deliverable quantities and traded quantities. So try to see even the chart patterns. So in chart patterns you will see some excellent breakout patterns. So that also we will discuss. So now when you see the volume analysis, so clearly you can see little bit of traded quantity has decreased as compared to weekly average, and the deliveries also have considerably increased. So little accumulation was seen. So that also I discussed. I told many times to not do selling, especially in power stocks. Just try to find the opportunity. So because when potential is present and when demand is present, so especially when electric vehicle segment is going on, I told I'll be discussing step by step stocks. So we'll continue that particular series as well. So focus on all the electric related stocks. Just try to find an opportunity to average rather than selling. Okay, returns wise, you can see 1 week it has given almost a 3.18% return, 1 month 23% returns, 3 months you can see 49.48% returns, 6 months 95, 1 year 173% returns have been given, and 5 years roughly around 84.4% returns have been given by Tata Power. So still potential is present. So now let's see how this particular charging stations would be set up by Tata Power. So since the major company Tesla, it's all well known away to all of us. So since that has approached, we need to see how the stock will react in the coming sessions as well. Okay, so quickly if we see what the indicators are suggesting, so mainly we have two indicators. So one is RSI, another one is money flow index. So both you can see are little mid-range. So money flow index is not entered in overbought region, as well as RSI you can see it has slightly entered the overbought region. So that is well and good, because little high volumes were seen. Obviously it will strength will increase, and money flow index is still showing the potential. So quickly let's go to the technical charts and we'll see what is the next possible targets as well as what is the support. Okay, so if you see the current market price, so currently it's trading in 112.85 with almost 5% positive movement. So you can clearly see here it has formed a little small, we can say pole and flag type pattern. So there you can see it was taking the support of which level, 106 rupees level. It was taking that particular support. So many people have asked as well in the comment section of the previous videos as well when we discussed 4 days back. So there also I told 105 is one support where you can try to average. So because there it has been respecting multiple times. So today you can see today's low was 107, but later it has broke this particular resistance. That is, what is that resistance? 112. Okay, so 112. Now it is trading above 112. So next immediate resistance would be 114. Okay, so if it breaks that 114, then 115 would be the next level. So that is where we have upper circuit, right? 10% upper circuit will be present. So if it closes there, definitely in the coming sessions it would be a good support to watch at those levels, since some positive updates are present. Maybe even market is in little positive condition, so it may continue that particular trend. So if you want to buy this particular stock, what is that level? So first level would be 1110 rupees level. So if you want to try to buy, make sure 1110. So that would be the best entry. Okay, so that is the support we are seeing in near term. So if you see money flow index also, it has not entered any overbought region, so still it is continuing that journey. So when it enters overbought region, though it may continue in that, it's not that like it should see a pullback. So depends upon the market condition. So heavy volumes, if it comes, it will shoot up again. So these are the major things. So this is in 1 day chart. So now let's see in 1 week chart how it has been following the pattern. Okay, so in 1 week chart also you can see first when it has given the breakout from the 200 exponential moving average. So that is when we started discussing about it. So after that it has continuously gone up because of the electric vehicle segment which was running in the market. So after that we have seen some resistance near the 114 rupees level, from where little pullback was seen, not only because of this particular stock, because market was also in little correction at that particular time. So now again you are seeing a bullish type of hammer is being formed. So this is what is called bullish hammer. So people who know about candlestick patterns, you can see hammer candle is a bullish type of hammer. So in next weeks also it will be very interesting to watch out this particular movement. So if you have still not added, so levels as usual I told you, so one is 110, after that 106 if you want to try. If it shows correction only, so it may or may not correct. After that near term targets would be 120 plus. So our long term target was 150. So let's see, will it break that 150 rupees target or not? So hope for the best. So if you have any personal doubts, you can message me in Instagram and also in the comment section. So until then, take care. Bye bye.